Welcome back to AutoMatrix, where machines aren't just built, they're engineered to dominate. Today, we're diving into something that doesn't just redefine luxury motorhomes. It completely destroys the rulebook. This is the 2026 Caterpillar EARTHSHOCK 12x12, the craziest motorhome ever built. And when we say crazy, we don't mean flashy paint or oversized rims. We mean 12 wheels, 6 axles, industrial-grade off-road capability, and the soul of a construction monster wrapped in a rolling 5-star palace. Let's begin. The EARTHSHOCK 12x12 wasn't designed for highways, it was designed for the apocalypse. Built on a heavily modified Caterpillar industrial platform, the same DNA used in mining and extreme terrain equipment, this machine weighs nearly 42 tons. Yes, 42 tons of unstoppable presence. At first glance, it doesn't even look like a motorhome. It looks like a military command vehicle mixed with a luxury expedition yacht. The front fascia is aggressive, armored, and unapologetic. Massive reinforced steel bumpers, industrial LED light bars stretching across the roofline, a grille that looks like it could inhale smaller SUVs. But the real story? The wheels. 12 of them. 6 powered axles, each wrapped in 46-inch all-terrain military-grade tires. And every wheel is independently suspended with adaptive hydraulic travel that can raise or lower the vehicle by nearly 14 inches depending on terrain. Mud? Easy. Snow? Nothing. Rock fields? It climbs them. Desert dunes? It floats across them. The EARTHSHOCK isn't about going off-road. It's about redefining what road even means. Powering this beast is a 15.2-liter turbocharged Caterpillar diesel engine, producing over 1,200 horsepower and nearly 3,500 lb-ft of torque. That's more torque than some semi-trucks hauling freight across continents. And yes, all 12 wheels receive intelligent torque distribution through Caterpillar's advanced traction management system. Top speed? Limited to 95 mph. Not because it can't go faster, but because the tires would probably file a complaint. Now let's talk size. The EARTHSHOCK stretches over 52 feet long, stands nearly 14 feet tall, and spans 8.5 feet wide, before expanding. Because yes, it has 4 hydraulic slide-outs. Once deployed, the interior transforms into over 500 square feet of living space. And this is where things get ridiculous. Step inside, and the industrial monster disappears. You're greeted by a floating staircase with carbon fiber railings and ambient LED lighting. The floors? Heated Italian marble with shock-absorbing underlayment. Walls finished in handcrafted walnut and brushed aluminum. The living area features a 120-inch retractable 8K display with surround sound calibrated by professional studio engineers. Opposite that, a full-length electric fireplace integrated into a marble accent wall. There's a reclining sectional sofa wrapped in hand-stitched Italian leather. And above it all, a panoramic skylight with electrochromic tinting that adjusts automatically depending on sunlight intensity. Now let's move into the kitchen. This isn't RV cooking. This is Michelin star level preparation. The EARTHSHOCK features a dual induction cooktop, commercial-grade convection ovens, a built-in espresso bar, and a 24-inch smart refrigerator that monitors inventory and suggests recipes. Cabinetry is soft close, aerospace-grade composite, lightweight yet indestructible. Countertops? Solid quartz reinforced with vibration-resistant mounting systems. And yes, there's a hidden wine cellar drawer with temperature control. But Caterpillar didn't stop there. Midway through the cabin is a fully enclosed command center. Think of it as mission control, Here, you can monitor tire pressure on all 12 wheels, suspension height, fuel levels, satellite positioning, weather tracking, security cameras, and energy systems. Everything is controlled through a 32-inch touchscreen interface or voice command. Integration. You don't drive the EARTHSHOCK, you command it. Now, let's talk about the Master Suite. At the rear of this rolling fortress lies a king-size floating bed with active motion stabilization. That means even if you're parked on uneven terrain, you sleep perfectly level. There's a 75-inch retractable TV, dual climate zones, and blackout smart glass windows. Storage, custom-built wardrobe systems with soft LED illumination. And the bathroom. This is where most RVs fail, but not this one. The EARTHSHOCK features a full rainfall shower enclosed in reinforced glass, heated floors, a smart mirror with integrated health monitoring, and a water purification system capable of filtering river water into drinkable supply. Yes, you heard that right. You could park next to a river in the wilderness and live like royalty. And that brings us to sustainability. Despite its monstrous size, the EARTHSHOCK integrates a massive roof-mounted solar array, generating up to 12 kilowatts of power. Combined with a lithium titanate battery bank, it can operate fully off-grid for nearly 2 weeks. There's also a silent auxiliary generator for emergencies. Water tanks, fresh water, 300 gallons. Gray water, 250 gallons. Black water, 200 gallons. This thing isn't going camping, it's relocating civilization. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The EARTHSHOCK includes thermal night vision cameras, 360-degree surveillance, reinforced door locking systems, and an advanced driver assistance suite with adaptive cruise, collision mitigation, and terrain prediction sensors. It even has automatic leveling stabilizers capable of handling extreme angles. But here's the twist. This motorhome isn't mass-produced. Only 12 units will ever be built, each one customized to its owner. Price? Starting at $6.8 million. And depending on customizations, it can exceed $8 million. Who buys something like this? Explorers? Billionaires? Governments? Expedition filmmakers? Extreme adventurers who refuse to compromise. The 2026 Caterpillar EARTHSHOCK 12ABX12 isn't for people who want to escape society. It's for people who want to bring society with them, anywhere on Earth. Imagine driving through the Sahara, parking on a glacier, crossing mountain passes where normal RVs wouldn't survive 10 minutes. And inside, silence, comfort, luxury. It's the ultimate contradiction. Industrial brutality outside, 5-star serenity inside. And that's what makes it legendary. Because in a world where most luxury vehicles are trying to look tough, the EARTHSHOCK actually is. 12 wheels, 6 axles, 200 horsepower, 500 square feet of luxury, off-grid capability, limited to just 12 units worldwide. This isn't a motorhome, it's a statement. A declaration that adventure doesn't require sacrifice. It demands dominance. And the 2026 Caterpillar EARTHSHOCK 12ABX12 delivers exactly that. So the real question is, if money wasn't a limit, would you take this rolling fortress across the world? Or would you be too afraid to leave the pavement behind? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the most extreme motorhome ever imagined, hit that like button, subscribe to AutoMatrix, and turn on notifications. Sadi Heat, because we're just getting started. Until next time, stay powerful, stay limitless. This is AutoMatrix.